Good morning, students. So today we're going to solve question 5 from GATE CSE 2021. The question states that blank is to surgery as writer is to blank. Which one of the following options maintain a similar logic relation to the above sentence, right? So this relation, this blank relation to surgery must be same to this writer's relation to this blank, right? That is what we have to do. Let's take the options and apply it into the sentence and then see which one fits. Plane is to surgery, okay. Plan is to surgery, okay. We have to plan out the surgery, okay. As writer is to outline, right? So planning a surgery and writer outlining some kind of book content is a very different thing, right? Because surgery, actually some things are happening, right? So and writer, basically how he's going to write the subjects is what he's doing, but not exactly the same thing, right? We could do better. Let's see if there is some better option, right? Because meaning as semantics, you always have this kind of bit of subjective part of it, but what fits better, that can exist, right? So hospital and library, right? So hospital is to surgery, okay. Inside of hospital surgery happen, right? Like writer is to library. That is not the same relation, because surgery happens inside of your hospital, but your library does not exist inside of your writer, right? So this is also not the case. So this is definitely not one of your this is not an answer candidate, right? We can remove it directly. The third option is doctor and book, right? So doctor is to surgery, okay. Doctor performs a surgery, so doctor is vital to surgery, as writer is to book, right? So doctor basically does what is required for the surgery, right, for the surgery to exist, while writer, it does what is required for the book to exist. Yeah, this makes a lot of sense. I will mark this only, right? And D, medicine is to surgery, as writer is to grammar, right? Medicine is required for the surgery, but writer is not required for the grammar to exist, right? Why? Because grammar is an independent concept now. Inside of the book, maybe the writer does not really have a very good English grasp, and writes in a very bad grammar, and then the editor of the book basically corrects the grammar, right? So that can also exist. This D does not really fits very well. So what does fit? The C fits, right? And these would not fit, because this is a 1 mark question, 1 mark MCQ type question, only one correct, right? And with that we have solved this question, and I hope that this thing validates your own solution, right? Have a very good day. See you in the next one.